How do you get your kid to eat sausage and broccoli? Ugh. With a sculpture of the dog, we can make this out of the sausage and the broccoli. Whew. Let's get started. I gotta make a sausage dog, not a dog out of a sausage. So I need to go to a butcher. Roman's here. This is Roman. I need the best sausage in the world. Like this long. Oh, I think it's time to get busy. All right, Roman, we have our sausage already in. I've never made sausage before in my life, but sausage is easy to make. And on the machine, there has a turtle. Use this now. Oh no, we're falling out. We're falling out. Round 2. So what is the casing? Look at that thing. Once we get it on there. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so this is how it works. We're gonna go in turtle speed. It looks like we're gonna go to rabbit speed. And we're doing this in a traditional New York butcher shop. Holy moly. All right now, to be very honest with you, this is the most sausage I've ever seen before in my life. Good. Wow. Roman, thank you so much. And now it is time to make a sausage dog. All right, just back from the butcher. How much sausage am I gonna need? Because this looks like a lot. I get my little ruler out. I think that's about right. At the end, just grab it, and then you're gonna twist, and we're gonna just pull this. Now look at this thing. Time to get sculpting for the dog. And I need 10 capsules. So you're gonna take your hand, you're gonna squeeze right at that end. The reason for 10 is that that's gonna give us the approximate number that we need to cut that last one. And then we need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My hand got too big. So let's go back. All right, once I finish my last one, so that's number 10, right? So this is why we have 10, and we're just gonna now twist these. And again, this is something that now you can create it yourself.
Our dog takes inspiration from the work of a great American artist, Jeff Koons. Jeff was born in 1955 in York, Pennsylvania. When he was 9, Jeff used to replicate famous paintings which his father exposed in his storefront. Jeff was a counterfeiter. He's now one of the most famous artists in the world, heading a workshop of 100 craftsmen working for him. We'll have to take care of our sausage dog ourselves.
You're gonna fold at the top. Now look at the ears, and then all we're gonna do is now twist this around. We have our first part, a twist. Now I'm gonna pick this up, just like so. And now we have our artistic dog. Is that not cool? Looks like somebody has a date tonight. You gotta have fun in the kitchen.
Balloon Dog is the most famous sculpture made by Jeff Koons. Looks like air, but is heavy of more than a ton. Koons' works is also this, and this. Balloon Dog was sold for over $91 million, making Jeff one of the wealthiest artists in the whole world. Well, here, our wiener dog is worth $9. Sorry, Jeff, we break the prices.
Now I've already put this on to show you this reason, so that all you need is just a little bit of salt and pepper. Finishing up on the tail here with the pepper. Now you're gonna take 2 shot glasses and we're gonna go right into a Pyrex. From here, I'm gonna grab my dog, aka my sausage dog, and you're gonna place right on the inside. Now we need to now keep the form of the sausage dog, and then you're just gonna press it down. Now from here, you're gonna take your last half, and we're gonna lift up on the tail version by holding last piece, and you're gonna lift up, and this is gonna give a little volume to the tail. Hold while you're pushing it in while it's cooking. And after about 20 minutes, we're gonna take the sausage out of the oven. This could be a bun in the oven. Everybody knows this kind of reference, maybe. And I wanna be able to slide this right on. All right, so I'm just gonna slide this in. Now that looks beautiful. You stay there, sit, as they like to say. And we need to use this because we're gonna make the first ever gold dog. So I'm gonna go over here. I have a piece of water. Take a big piece of water, and you're gonna take 2 fingers. You're just gonna lift that up, and we're gonna slide that and put that right in the center. And if you didn't know about gold leaves, well, guess what? I have something great in store for you. One of my friends actually learned how to make this, and so you can watch this video right here.
To make golden leaves is an incredible process. First, we mix an alloy of gold, copper, and silver and melt it to form a bar. We flatten the bar to make it super thin, cut it into pieces, beat them more than 1,000 times with a mallet to obtain a sheet that is thin as a hair. And that's how you get golden leaves.
My sausage is a little bit cooled, and we're gonna go straight in. We're gonna continue. All right, now you're gonna slowly pull the dog out. And so I've already made a place for the legs. Give you a little side view here. But I think it's time for the harshest critics in the world. They're probably gonna be harsh. So now we have our sausage and broccoli. All right, so now we need to eat it, right? So which plate do you guys prefer? Now you get to taste it. Give me your reaction. 1, 2, 3, go. 100% a job well done in the art studio of Chefclub.